Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix WordPress admin login issues, or plugin and theme errors step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your website's cPanel or FTP client. Navigate to the public_HTML directory. Locate the WP content folder. Inside WP content, find the plugins folder. Rename the plugins folder to something like plugins_old. Now, attempt to log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. If you can log in successfully, the issue was with one of your plugins. To identify the faulty plugin, rename the plugins folder back to plugins. Next, access your WordPress admin dashboard. Go to the plugins section. Reactivate each plugin one by one, checking the login after each activation. If the login fails again, you will know the last activated plugin is the culprit. Delete or troubleshoot that specific plugin. If the issue persists, return to the WP content folder. This time, look for the themes folder. Rename the themes folder to themes_old. Try logging into your WordPress admin dashboard again. If you can access it, the problem stems from your active theme. Rename the themes folder back to themes to revert to its original state. Now access your WordPress admin area. Choose a default theme, such as 2021. Activate that theme and check if the issue is resolved. If you still cannot log in, it may be a deeper issue. Consider checking your WordPress configuration file, wp-config.php. Locate the file in the public_HTML directory. Look for the line that defines your database settings. Ensure the database name, user, and password are correct. After confirming those details, try logging in again. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.